Hey traders, back to another recap plus trade update here. So I just took a position on Aussie Yen short after I closed my dollar Swiss for about 50k yesterday. This is my another position. So it turns out to be running fairly well. This is sort of an aggressive B quality min reversion kind of setup. Let me just show you all. So as you all can see, I have a position running on Aussie Yen right now. If you see me having such a conservative TP target, that means this is more likely to be a min reversion setup. That means the market is on a strong trend, but my strategy is telling me that I'm allowed to short against the trend in the short term. So I'll go through the thought process later on. So as you can see, I'm in about 40 lots on this trade, 5.6k running profit. I see markets live. I see markets live. So now let's go to my trading view and let's really talk. Oh, sorry. Let me show you all my Telegram first. So as you all can see, at today, 10th of October, 9:42 a.m., non-edited, I say that I'll be attempting an Aussie Yen short based on a short-term shift in structure, a simple minor BNR entry. And this is more of a fun trade. I'm only going to risk about 0.7% and see if the momentum is going to fade after such a strong long run upwards. So also posted that I took the trade. Again, sell limit got tapped. Many of us got into the position because it's again based on sell limit. One reason why I love using sell limit, first one is I can have full control over my price position. Second thing is it's a lot easier for me to share my trade with our trade club traders, because if I use a market order, if I have to type it out everything and post it there, it's a bit difficult. So using limit orders really help a lot. So now, yeah, the position is running fairly well. So now let's go to trading view and let's talk about the thought process. So if you look at the daily chart on Aussie Yen, this is definitely bullish. Don't get me wrong. I know that I'm shorting against the bull run, but because of this gap here on Monday, if we go down onto the 2-hour chart, you can see that we have a massive gap on Monday open, and that was caused by fundamentals event. Massive gap, 4 days of bull run straight away. So after you see such a strong bull run, majority of the people, what they do is they just blindly buy. But again, I was really not touching all the yen pairs for the entire week. You know, even in our Sunday meeting with all the traders here, I also told them I'm not looking to touch the yen pairs until I see any sort of clear pattern or clear confluence. So after seeing price run up for such a long time, I've been trying to see if there's any opportunity for me to trade against it, and finally the signal appeared yesterday. So we have price picked at 100.93 level, dropped, forming a right side of the V confirmation. So right side of the V simply means we have a value shift in structure and we have price breaking below some important level. The only level we have here on Aussie Yen is 100.51. So as price is below this 100.51, it is giving us opportunity to look for some short-term sell. So since this is a min reversion entry, the TP will usually be more conservative. And that's why whenever you see me having a TP, like 3R TP like this, that means I'm playing safe on this trade. That means it's a little bit aggressive. Okay, so yeah, if you have not watched my previous video, please make sure you go watch it as well, where I closed the trade on dollar Swiss yesterday. Was it yesterday or 2 days ago? I forgot. I closed the trade for about 50k, but there's one little surprise. I might or may not do another update. I have my main account still holding on to this bull run, and it is a little bit crazy. So my main account is running for about 200k plus, a little bit over $200,000 in profit. One of my account closed for 50k, which I show you all. Closed it for 50k, and yeah, and I'm still holding on my main account. That's one of the benefit of having multiple accounts: one swing, one short-term trading, one day trade, blah blah blah. And you can only start doing that when you have more capital, honestly. If you have smaller amount of capital, anything that's below a few $100,000 is a little bit difficult for you to play around with different accounts, because you have to compound and really grow grow your account. That's your number one priority. So I'll see how do I close out the trade, whether if I close it out for a static 1 to 3, that will be about $14,000 if I'm not wrong, based on the TP. But if I do decide to, if it's really clean, I might end up decide to remove my TP and just trail my stops along the way and see if it could stretch a little bit lower into some of these minor level like 99.30 support. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, P&L does not matter. What matters more is how do you stick to the plan and make adjustable and make strategic adjustment according to what we see, according to what price really tells you. So yeah, running for about 6.3K now, and we'll see how it closes. And yeah, if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll do another second follow-up video later on. So if you like it, make sure you share it with people or fellow traders who you think they can be benefited from this kind of top-down analysis, from this kind of thought process sharing, trade idea generation, full transparency, showing you all how I take a trade, close a trade from head to toe. So yeah, bye-bye.